Yeah, me I said, man, I can marvelous I represent for plums out. I'm like when a girl them put on them clothes and them comes out. So here one is an online store, so you can get everything for women and more.
Hey ladies! Yeah, you don't know say a double X aka Flex amount of TOK and me I say yo ladies, but you need to follow and shop at plums_out for the trendiest pieces this summer. You see me I say? And them affordable, so you need to check them out, you see it?
You are going to people from City Face and Universe, you know, Shokobus and I represent. You are going to, I like the girl in the junk clothes, you know. I like the girl in the old brook, I like the girl in the puppy, you know. See? Hey, check out about story, plums out. See? By Goody Plum. You are going to the good clothes, them. See? You are going to pay. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Reasonable price. Because some of the girl come like, now we're nothing good until no man buy something good enough. See? Reasonable price, people. Check them out on Instagram. See? Plums out. Goody Plum. Shokobus I represent.
Yo, Pink Boss, what go on? I pray.
Yo, Dada, you see the same bones boy there? We're going with the fool in the shamudi, and I know so the boy just found out on me heart.
How you say to me?
I have to slap him out the door, dog. Be a wild man.
How we the
dog.
bum?
Police and thing.
What you
So right now, I lift up from around the apartment. Just some things me there, I pack up quick, Dada. So I link me around for the next block, see?
Me a forward. No.
Joke ya make Rasta. A joke ya, brother. Tell me say I know something. Yo, give me that. Where the man Pink Boss have?
The man shoot Pink Boss catty, brother.
Pinky?
Yeah.
What caused that?
This I gonna mash up your meds. The man a collect extortion over Red Lane, brother. And she approach him about it, and I saw them jump off, and she pick up a one shot in her foot.
What a bomb. Collect extortion money over Red Lane? I will send him over the brother.
So quick. You mean to tell me say you never know nothing about this, brother?
Not at all, brother.
Not at all, G. So, how where you get the information where you get and show me where you and tell me?
link, we got to link the J dog. I'm pretty make me know say, boy, a circle ends. By the time if you say that, the man that me say I pop out, and I get shot boss a bag.
What you say to me?
Yeah. So me say, I them in a business.
We come like say a long time. Them a do this, brother, and we don't know nothing what go on. So really, Shafia said man come head start the place, brother, and shoot all your girl fam.
But this can't go so, you know. Cause if me never see the vibe and show you it, you know, pink boss. 3 pints the man that come for, you know.
Dada, I'm going to see the boy brave too, you know. I mean, yeah, the boy get information and come on me yard, you know. A lucky thing me a link with the OG them from long time, you know, and the man them say, you want to you. We gonna frack up. And make him come see and think say there's a woman in there. And I saw me get out the boy family. So that boy a shot boss a link with. You know, so him a get a serious page though. And that time you know chattings. So quick. You think about this?
Feel like karma if it prevails still, you know. You could just assess the thing the right way. You see me? Because we can't go and like say we want to hurt our friend. So we could link shop boss the right way and ask him.
Hurt way, so it look right now.
Oh, you're not sure?
Yo, me ain't no more talking. I'm told him. You see the boy send man the man community. Come make start man community. Eh? And then send man come shoot my friend Oman. And on top of that, send man to my friend yard. Yard dog. And now come and tell me about chattings. No more chattings. And knockings.
Me no know no code boss, but that me a hear.
He must have link with Smaddy over there. Cha. Me give the man one program in higher. The Chinese shop them alone. The man gone over red lane.
Man violate the other.
You hear him dead?
No, I know. Me no get that info there.
Yo, it's a good thing nobody don't know say I'm a link, you know. Cause I'm a deep premiums, you know.
Real talk, you know, Shappy. The man never want to come for your 3 points, you know.
Genocide. Find out if he's dead or alive. And find out who him a link with over red lane. Cause a big violation missing, brother.
One go.
Dadas. So right now the boy that'll clean that boy them go out. Be a wireless bad man. Be a camera and people see what go on dog. Broad day no dada. Yo dog, I'm gonna feel lift up you know brother. But as when me I try to get to farm, you see like how him find my yard, him will find phone yard too. Him have somebody a feed him information. I'm not sure if the boy is dead because me I go over go put one in a boy in a siren, a police that me have to run in a dog. So I'm not sure yet in a family. So I have to keep the eyes them out. Quick.
Yeah.
Nah, they are in a family that miss a thing the way you love miss more while in a dog. That I can't find you know. You have to be right on the ground. In at the earth like root. You see quote?
So after being in hiding for months, her first order of business as she come back is to be a thorn in my side.
This one came from left field, Marcus. I'm not prepared for this.
So, what are you going to do about it?
Well, at this point, I can request an audience with her to ask for some time to prepare the case.
You do that. Because this is not a good time. I have so
Marcus, breathe, brother. When you get flustered, it'll affect me. Listen, she don't have to grant me the audience, you know. So me have my frequency up when I go see her.
I have too much on my plate right now in a Tyrone. This woman is like a... It's like she come back with a vendetta. She's a thorn in my side, man.
And if my guess is right, she's going to be twice as difficult to deal with now.
This is like a nightmare to backside.
I'm going to do what I do. If she doesn't get me the audience, then I have to drop a few things and build a case.
Alright, bro. Do what you have to do. But you need to fix this for me now. I can't take no more pressure upon me right now.
Alright.
You can't carry it for you, man.
Marcus,
Yes, Carly.
are you okay?
Far from it, Carly.
You need to try and calm down. Remember your pressure problem when you're stressed.
Grace Connolly. She just need a broom to be the perfect witch. You know, something should have just...
Really what, sir?
I really should have gone to engineering school like my mother wanted me to. That's what I meant to say.
Anyway, you sit there. I'm going to get you some water and check your pressure. Your pressure is a bit high. You need to relax.
Yeah, I figured as much. You have very, very therapeutic hands. Love it. Oh yeah. Carly.
No, Marcus. We're not going to do this again, please.
You know I love when they call my name.
Marcus.
What's the problem?
Anything reach out yet?
You see me later?
You know sometimes she might upset the inside, you know?
Shouldn't reach yet.
I guess not there.
Styles or what? No one know the right time to pick no conversation with me, you know. You don't get a green card yet.
What do you mean by that, goodie?
No matter play smart with me. You know exactly what you do. And I make you know straight up, I don't rate that here.
So you really believe, say, a green card me want from your mother?
What else you could have want, Styles? The woman twice your age. She live a foreign and you live out here. All that ever work. Marcus, this has to stop.
Why?
Because I have no place in your life. This is not a fling for me now, Marcus. I'm in love with you. I have been in love with you.
Carleen.
Yeah, I get it. You're happily married with a wife and a daughter. So I guess I'm the stupid one here who keeps doing this to myself.
Haven't I been taking care of you?
This is not about money, Marcus. This is about companionship. I need to know that I have someone to go home to. You stopped me from having 2 relationships, Marcus.
None of those guys were right for you, Carleen.
Neither are you. I feel like shit every time Michelle comes here.
But why?
Because that's how she treats me. She damn well know that I am into you. And she just comes here and flaunts her perfect marriage in my face.
I'm sorry you feel that way, Carleen. But you knew exactly what you were getting into before we started fooling around. I mean, this thing, this fling
Stop.
that...
Please don't let me feel any worse than I'm already. I don't even have a category.
But I wired her 3,000 US dollars last week, Michelle.
Yes, and she needs some more. Is that an issue?
What does she do with the money?
The same thing her mother does with your money. Spend it.
You need to teach her how to save. She spend money too carelessly, man. Not because her father is a big politician.
That university is not just about excellent education. It's also about image. And that's something Tiffany has to keep up. Besides, I'll do anything for my baby.
But that's just it, Michelle. She's not a baby. She's a young woman who needs to start acting and taking more responsibility. Stop treating her like a baby.
Marcus Wallace. She's my baby and she will remain so as long as I want. Understand?
Yeah, I understand.
You'll never truly understand. You didn't care for 9 months.
So, what's your reason for the visit, Michelle?
Reason? I don't need a reason to come by your office, sweetheart. You're my husband. So I can stop by whenever I desire. Besides, half of this is mine. You, fetch me a bottle of water.
So, Michelle, this is just a courtesy call then?
Actually, it's not. I'm here to talk to you about that boxing match you're endorsing in Sea Park community.
And we couldn't discuss this at home, Michelle?
No, I wanted to deal with this here. Later is for a glass of wine, red, and some cuddling.
That sounds good.
Room temperature. So Marcus,
Yes.
do you think that was a wise political move?
I didn't see anything wrong with it. The guys in the community seem to be onto something good, and it's something that we can use as a conflict resolution right throughout the country.
Don't be ridiculous. A male politician endorsing in an event that support women pounding on each other. The feminist groups are positioning to have a field day. That Reporter Girl Goldie is creating a story on it.
I really don't like that girl.
Room temperature.
I can relate. Marcus,
I know this might sound strange to you, but I check for your mother in a goodie.
You know, so I bet you nobody say nothing. I bet you nobody say nothing, you know. Because you see, only young boy, that's all you good for. Take set from the big woman, them to them have them things.
Goodie, you know some alright in my life because my father will everything to me. And me choose to do here because I like it.
You tell me about your life for styles. You no business with that. And my mother me care about. Because I don't want nobody to take advantage of her.
What you talking about? Your mother a big woman, she not your daughter. I don't care how you feel. She check for me and I check for she.
So what you do then? Where you don't reach Florida yet?
Me I leave end of the month.
So that you come here for come tell me?
No, I come tell her some English to your mother before she leave.
That court case you have pending is coming up soon. And I think it needs immediate attention.
I am well aware, Michelle.
Are you?
Yes.
Well, my darling.
Yes.
Our marriage and the relationship with your daughter depends on it. Okay, darling, I'm leaving. I really think that you need to do something about this office. It's so drab. And that musky smell. Ugh.
What must this smell?
I think you've been in it too long. Some things needs to go. They've been here too long.
Carlene. Listen to me. Me don't have time for this right now. If him feel sick, give him 2 tablets. Or take him to the nurse. How sick can he be? Carlton quite alright. Him in a prison and eat free food. Just do what me tell you to do. That's it.
Crocodile. Then I saw. Alright.
Yeah.
But it can't so hard to get somebody for work in there. Enough people want work.
Enough people want money. Them no want work. It's a big difference.
You interview anybody for the position?
Few. But them just not ready. You miss Charmaine.
For real. And she alone didn't know if to run the shop there.
Me fi tell you. Plus she did have some whole heap of ideas to make the place even a little bit more productive, you see me?
You hear from her?
She knocked me a few times still. She just finished her second book.
What you say? And so she a go on?
Yeah man, Charmaine a go on with big things, you know?
Proud of her.
Yeah man, she make the community look good. See the new book cover there, man.
Borders, barriers, boundary. Nice. I forgot get a copy of this.
Same thing me a pray, you know. I have to support the thing, you know.
Yo, yeah, yeah, what? Shopping have no link with them youth there. Yes, man, nothing to do with them link there. You see me? The man don't tell you I try run. I want program for the China them. Cause guess what? The China them not get the youth them no work. You see me? Just the China them not get the youth them no work.
So who the boy bones a link with?
A youth named Dogface. You see me I say? At 2 time, him try rock Xpressionz over here. In my place. You see me I say?
Oh, so him bring him bones today with it?
Yeah man.
Back to you now. Oh, you really are do?
Yeah man, I'm good.
You're good. You're sure?
I'm sure, how?
My spirit a tell me something else.
Your spirit? So you take over from your father now?
No, you know. That's a one gift me no want. But a trace of it running in my blood.
Right, Denise. Not even know what to say to you about that.
You know, say before bro when it passed me did see it.
In a real life?
Yeah. When your auntie get locked up, and when Carlton take with Woody.
So I have to start calling shepherdess now.
Don't take it for joke. Winston, I get a vision, say you hold your right hand and blood and run down your side. We're not together, but we never stop caring about you. So anything what you do, what you're not supposed to do, just hear what me say now. When I did meet you, you'd run the shop. And you make it work. Right now your frequency low. I can't see it and I can't feel it. So anything what you do, just stop. Stop.
Right. You know, you're the best woman I ever have.
I know.
Yo, you hear me? Nobody never say him and Bones are link yet. You see me I say?
Judge crocodile. So you don't know, say the boy give Bones Pink Bass location. I make Bones go try off a Pink Bass.
Where you say? Where really I say? So the Pink Bass alright? Eh?
Yeah man, the dog good man. The tree good. But him have to knock it on the boy Bones. So him have to go take away himself, you know. Cause be a police and a bag of things, you see me? I forgot cool out for a while.
Yo, I'm tell you dog, that not sound good. That not sound good at all, you know.
Worse than that right now, the man put Chappie under heavy payments. That pre wicked. You know, man, I gotta fix this.
Yo, quick foot. Yeah, yeah, what? Shut to ladder and just fix things. You hear that? Because you know, say, a one call. You hear that, my brother? One call.
Yeah, fix it.
Yeah,
You link here.
Yeah, man, fix it.
That's how you do it. You know, so me just
Tell her to deal with that thing and come like say you're itching a fam. So here what go on now. I go deal with it myself.
Yo, Dada, here what? Dada? Think the man ain't gonna come with that? No, get the man. Man, I deal with that. Lord, Shafi.